Got this in. It is the Kamen Rider Fourze Deluxe Astro Switch Rack. This is the box it came in from Bandai. Pretty fucking huge ass box. See how long it is? Thinness. Fucking heavy too. Like 15 pounds or some shit. I don't know exactly. So anyways, let's open it up. Oh man. So here it is. Let me see if you can see it. Front of the box. And the side. All the switches. The back. Yeah. The other side. Top side doesn't show much. Bottom side is the same as top. So let's open this up. So it comes with the core switch. I'll show you what it is after I open it. Right here, the core switch. Can you see it? Outer Space Technology Organization. So you stick this in. Wait. Right there. And the core switch doesn't do anything if you press it. It has like glitter sticker thingy or whatever inside it. And you're supposed to connect it like this. Yeah. So the rack itself. Yeah, this piece of shit is fucking heavy. Let's see. Styrofoam in here. Printed font. And this side is right there. Back side. Got holes in here for the screws. This side has the stopper thing so it won't slip off your table. Top side is pretty thin. So let's put in some switches. Let's see. Alright. I'm gonna put it in this way. Click into place so they don't fall down. You're gonna put it in that way. This is pretty fun. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Let's see. 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. And I'll split up this. Let's see, 30, and 31. Let's see, 32, 33, 34. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 40. Damn, that looks pretty damn beautiful and organized. Yep. So this Astro switch rack, the original price was 12,600 yen. That's about $126. But I got this for basically 8,000 yen. That's $80. And I had to pay, middleman fees. And then the shipping was pretty damn fucking expensive. The most I ever spent on shipping. So yeah. If you're a huge Forza fan you got a job, money, and all that, you gotta get this, you know? I mean, they just had another pre-order for this, and it's shipping in February of 2014. So, yeah.